Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.
Car expos may be rarer in contemporary times, but China's flourishing market ensures Auto Shanghai remains a prime platform for vehicle manufacturers to parade their latest innovations. Among the attendees, Lamborghini is proudly presenting its eagerly anticipated Aventador successor, the Revuelto. Accompanying this V12 plug-in hybrid supercar are the Urus Performante and Huracan Tecnica, while a custom-built Urus S is displayed in a specialized Ad Personam chamber. The Revuelto, as seen in official visuals, is adorned in a dazzling orange hue. Should this not cater to your taste, the configurator offers a plethora of color schemes divided into 7 distinct groups. With 1,001 horsepower under its hood, the electrified marvel from Sant'Agata Bolognese is marking its Asia-Pacific premiere in Shanghai. Considering China is Lamborghini's second largest individual market, it's only fitting that the High Performance Electrified Vehicle takes center stage at the exhibition. The Revuelto symbolizes a new epic for the ferocious bull, paving the way for additional hybrid models. Lamborghini has revealed plans for a Urus PHEV in 2024, alongside an electrified Huracan successor. Fast forward to 2028, and the lineup will expand to include a fully electric 2+2 Grand Tourer. While we await these developments, the Revuelto is predicted to emulate the Aventador's strategy by spawning an array of offshoots. A roadster variant seems plausible and should materialize soon, as the famed Italian automaker seeks to diversify its supercar offerings. In an earlier discussion, CEO Stefan Winkelmann projected that the new supercar will endure until 2030, despite tightening emission regulations. The V12 hybridization will enable this, and a similar approach will be applied to the Huracan's successor via its hybrid powertrain. As for the Urus, the next generation super SUV is slated to be an EV.